It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am so glad I am feeling better today. I've got a lot going on. Oh my gosh. So, more flash sales at Bath and Body Works. I can hardly keep up. So, Bath and Body Works, I don't think this was on earlier, but now we have a flash sale on the soap cartons, $10.95 online only tonight only. It's funny because I didn't like those at first, and now I really like them. Do I have one in here? I think I took them all in the other room because I'm actually using them. They also have, these are kind of pricey, the glass soap dispensers. I do like those. I have a red one in my bathroom, and it's really pretty. I really want the aqua one. So those are actually $19, but they last forever. So those are kind of cool. So we got that going on. And then on the app, we have news of a new aromatherapy called Northern Brights. I'm going to put a screenshot up right here. And then we're going to do a mashup and talk about Halloween vampire blood. I always like to slip these in because I don't have enough there's not enough content to just talk about vampire blood in the lip gloss, so I'm kind of tagging it on here as part of my Halloween. But this is really cool, and it's on sale, so we're going to talk about that in a minute. So, Northern Brights is a new aromatherapy coming for Christmas, and it's eucalyptus and pine. I am so interested in this one because I'm going to put a screenshot up right here. Does anybody remember Joyful? It was black currant and pine. I really liked that one. I finally used up the last of my foaming body wash. I had one for a long time. It had just enough pine, and the black currant kind of wove in there. It was a nice scent. Remember, we had frankincense and myrrh, which was Thankful, and then we had Peaceful, which was the tea tree one. I didn't like that one very much. So I don't think it's a repackage of Joyful looking at the scents, but looks like we have a lot of interesting packaging going on here. There is a hand soap, but look at this. It's beautiful. I gotta say, I like the whole Northern Lights. It's a blend of eucalyptus essential oil and pine extract. It smells like a spa under the stars. You know what? Pine is such a funny scent because there's actually pine in the new Goldenberry mistletoe that's coming too, but it's not like straight on pine. So I don't know. Eucalyptus, as you know, is going to be like a really strong scent. So I'm not sure if the eucalyptus is going to overpower the pine or if we're going to get enough pine in there to make it delightful. But it's coming, which is exciting. I'm excited to try any new pine scent. So that's a big push. It's kind of interesting. The app, it's got like 4 screenshots of this new scent. So it's pretty big. Also today, Vampire Blood in the lip gloss. This is $3.98. I think tomorrow it's going to be $3.95. I love this one. I gotta say, I'll put a little on here. I like wearing the Bath & Body Works lip gloss right over my lipstick. Oops, I didn't get enough out there. There we go. Oh my gosh, it tastes good. It smells good. And it's like vampire blood in a little tube. I love it. See how the nice shine it gives you? I usually don't wear it alone. I always layer it over my lipstick, but I gotta say, I love these little tubes because they're easy to put in your purse and you can kind of just pull them out. I prefer this formula over the smaller tube, although I know we have that in pumpkin pecan waffles now, which is pretty delightful. Oh, by the way, someone was saying in my comments, the pumpkin pecan waffles is now online again. Online exclusive. I know a lot of people are looking. I wonder if they were seeing the minis. Let me see. Pumpkin pecan waffle, because I know a lot of people are running that. I wanted to check that too. Let me see. Pumpkin pecan waffles. Here we go. Because that would actually be pretty cool if that came back. Let me see here. Yeah, it's in the lips gloss. No, I'm not seeing it in the body care. I wonder if people are just seeing it in the minis. All we have it's just in the mini, but it's only $3.58. So if you really want it, you can get it in the mini and, of course, the lip gloss. I think that's the clear formula in the pumpkin pecan waffles. Sometimes around Christmas, you know how we get those pearlized lip glosses. But this has become my new favorite formula. always get these on sale. Tomorrow we're going to have the lip gloss sale. I think it's going to be $3.95 for the scrubs and the lip gloss. So these would make amazing Halloween like little gifts. So if anyone's looking for these. So a lot going on. Northern Brights, Halloween lip gloss, tomorrow sale, hand soap carton. There's a lot going on. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.